Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we will make a headband for woman size. This means we need a chain which is 50 centimeter long. I will work with the hook from 3 millimeter and we will chain 50 centimeter. For men you will chain 54 centimeter and for child you will chain 46 centimeter. Just keep chaining until you reach your 50 centimeter chain. So make a measure and check your chain. So we have 50 centimeter for men plus 4, and for child take away 4 centimeter. So let's check up with our chain. Please be careful, don't turn it around. And then when you achieve the first chain, insert your hook needle into the first chain and make a slip knot. So chain 2, and the first row we will be working just double crochet in every chain, in every slip knot, as you wish. So just make double crochet all around the first round. When I will finish my first round, we will meet again, and until then just keep making single crochets in every chain, in every slip stitch or whatever. So keep doing double crochets in every stitch. So I'm ending my first row, just few more double crochets, and I will close the first round. Insert the hook needle into the first double crochet stitch and make a slip knot, then chain 2, and now we will work our pattern. Our pattern is one front post double crochet and one back post double crochet, and that we will be repeating all the round. So just yarn over in the front, double crochet, yarn over, hook in the back, yarn over, and double crochet, and keep repeating. Hook front, double crochet. You see, this is front, and from behind is the back one, and yarn over from the back, double crochet, and so on. So when I reach the end of second round, we will meet again. Until then, just keep repeating our pattern. One front post double crochet and one back post double crochet. So here I am, I'm ending my second row with our pattern. These are the last two one. One back, front double crochet, and now we will lock our second round. So insert your hook needle into the first chain from first double crochet and make a slip knot. Then chain 2 and just make like in the second row, keep repeating our pattern. If you begin with front post double crochet, then just make one front post double crochet and then one from behind, and keep repeating our pattern. This pattern is very elastic and very comfortable, and we will making rows until we reach our height. For women this is 10 centimeter, and for men this is 12 centimeter, and for child this is 8 centimeter. And when I reach my 10 centimeter, I'll be back. So I reached my last round. I will be finishing the last few double crochets in the front and from behind, and then just close the round into the first double crochet slip stitch from the last round, and then pull the yarn through, cut it and yarn through the loop and make a slip knot. So now we just have to hide our yarn. Take a needle, insert the yarn into the needle, and then make some stitches with the needle, and that's how we will hide our leftover yarn. So pull through, exactly, and then just cut the yarn. So we finished our headband, and the second one you should also, the second yarn you should also knit in. So turn over your headband and it looks like this. It's 10 centimeter, yes, and your work is over. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope we will see us again soon.